Hello everyone. In today's video, I will be walking you through the process of removing or hiding pictures of your house on Zillow. So let's get started. First, you'll need to sign into your Zillow profile. If you don't have one yet, go ahead and create an account. And once logged in, click on the profile icon and on the top right and select your home from the drop-down menu. And next, click on the tile for your home to open up the properties page. And if you haven't claimed your home on Zillow yet, you'll need to do that first. And once you have ownership, click on the edit facts icon from the owner view on your property page. This is where you can make changes to your home's information. To remove a specific photo, simply click on the photo you want to remove and select remove photo. And if you want to rearrange your photos, just click and hold any of the photos and then drag it to the desired position in the sequence. If you want to remove all photos, click delete all photos. Alternatively, you can hide all photos from the public view by checking the hide photos box. And once you've made your changes, don't forget to click save changes at the bottom of the page to confirm your updates. Keep in mind that for off-market homes, you might not see the edit facts option. In this case, yeah, the photos are sourced from the last for sale listing. If you're unable to remove or hide photos, you can submit a support ticket by clicking the link on contact Zillow's customer support team uh, to contact. Then they will assist you further. And that's it. You have successfully removed or hidden your house photos from Zillow. Thanks for watching and feel free to leave any questions in the comments below.